No deadlines, no rushing, just soft, deliberate movements. I'm in no hurry to be anywhere because today I'm unrushed, I'm unbothered, and I choose to move slowly and feel everything. This is your invitation to come dilly-dally with me. There is just something so joyous about opening packages that I sent to myself. Like, I literally equate this to little love letters from my past self. And when I say past self, I'm meaning like my past self from last week, because I'm constantly evolving. And I just feel like this is something from my past self that believed that I deserve something beautiful, useful, luxurious, whatever. And I don't rush these moments. I savor them, because even luxury can be found in something as simple as opening a box. What's that, girl? The most rebellious thing I've done lately? Well, let me tell you. Sitting down, unrushed, doing my makeup with no time constraints. Because maturing is realizing that slowing down is beneficial in all aspects of my life. I'm so used to planning everything on my off days, from tasks to errands to whatever. But honestly, there's just something exciting about wandering without purpose, about letting the world reveal itself slowly. I like to think of it as dilly-dallying with intention. It actually feels so good to just go with the flow. And then even errands start to become magic when you're not racing the clock. Girl, you thought we were done? Absolutely not. We are dilly-dallying to Ulta now.